Hey guys, it's Makeup by Harrison and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be trying out a couple new products and doing this everyday glam. If you want to see how I did this glam look and how the new products I used worked out, just keep on watching. So first off, I'm going to go in with my Wet n Wild Dewy Face Primer, and I'm just going to put that all over my face. I'm going to go in with my Dewy Face Primer today because I just want like a summer glow. And since the foundation, the new foundation that I'm going to be trying out today is a matte foundation, I just kind of want to give my skin a glow just so the foundation could be kind of glowy because I don't like a totally matte foundation. And this is one of my favorite face primers. It's the Wet n Wild Dewy Face Primer. Yeah, it's a cheap, like, luminous face primer, and it's like a dupe for all the other luminous face primers that you can find in like Sephora or something. But I'm just going to rub that in my skin and I will be right back when I'm finished. So for the foundation today, I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation in the shade Soft Beige. I used this like once in my last video, but I really want to give it a full chance now. I wasn't a big fan of it in my last video, but I just want to like test like a different concealer with it just to really see how I like it. And I also tested it with a matte primer in my last video and I didn't like how it was so matte, so I'm just gonna see how I like it with like a dewy primer underneath. So for this foundation, a little goes a long way, so you don't need that much, and it's also I think $5. I'll link it down below, but I'm really liking how this is looking so far with the dewy primer underneath because it's not a totally matte foundation. I usually use my LA Girl Pro coverage right now, but that's out, so I'm trying to find a different foundation that's not so hard to find. But if you know a place that sells LA Girl, like a place that I don't have to order online, please comment that down below because I like have a really hard time trying to find that foundation. So I'm not using a new face powder today, I'm just going to be using the face powder I use all the time. I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Pro Glow powder, I think that's what it's called, and I'm just going to put that all over my face just to kind of add some glow back to my face and just to set my foundation so it doesn't get all like cakey and stuff. So I'm not using a new face powder today, I'm just going to be using the face powder I use all the time. I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Pro Glow powder, I think that's what it's called, and I'm just going to put that all over my face just to kind of add some glow back to my face and just to set my foundation so it doesn't get all like cakey and stuff. So for bronzer today, I'm going to be going with the bronzer I use in every single video. That's the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. This is such a good bronzer, and I'm trying to like get a dent in it, and I've had it for so long, so I'm just trying to use it. But I just really love how this bronzer, it's not too intense, but it just bronzes up your face, and it smells like coconuts, which is also really good. So, I'm just going to bronze up my face, and yeah, and then we're going to move on to contour. I'm also going to add a little bit of this Milani Baked Bronzer. I don't really use this that much, I don't know why, but I just want to add a little bit of like a little shimmer bronzer to my face. So I'm just going to go in with that just a tiny bit, just to add a little shimmer to my face. And yeah. So for contour today, I'm going to be going in with my contour I use all the time. It's the Kat Von D Shade and Light, and I'm going to go in with the middle shade. And then just carve out my cheeks a little. I don't really contour my nose, so I just kind of put the powder brush below my nose and kind of on the edges. I don't really contour my nose because I don't really feel the need to, but yeah, I just thought I would let you guys know that. So to melt in like all the powders on my face and just to make like everything like come together, I'm just going to be using a little bit of my MAC Fix Plus. I'm almost done with this. I don't know how I feel about it. I feel like it's kind of overpriced for what it is. I feel like it's just kind of like a setting spray. But I'm just trying to use it up, so I'm just gonna spritz it on my face and sort of bring in all the powders. So for my highlighter today, I'm going to be going in with my Golden Flower Crown by Wet n Wild. So I'm just going to take a fan brush. All my brushes are Wet n Wild. I'll link them down below. I think I got a bunch of them for like $30. So yeah, I really want to try Morphe brushes. If any of you guys know, or if any of you guys own them, please comment down below, because I just really want to try them, and comment down which ones I should try. I know they make a really good highlighting brush, but I'm just going to spritz my brush with some MAC Fix Plus and just apply my highlighter. And I will be right back when I finish doing that. I'm going to layer my highlighters. I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Nicole Guerriero, however you pronounce that. And I'm just going to go in with the shade Glow Getter. I haven't used these highlighters in a very long time. So my favorite shade in this is Glow Getter. So I'm just going to apply a little bit of that to my cheekbones. And I will be right back when I finish doing that. So I finished applying my highlighter. I think the Nicole Guerriero highlighter really added like the extra glow. But I'm going to go off camera and fill in my brows with the Anastasia dipbrow in the shade Chocolate. And I will be right back. So I filled in my brows off camera with the Anastasia dipbrow, and I outlined them and sort of highlighted them with my LA Girl Pro Conceal. I use it all the time, and I'm just going to go in with my e.l.f. eyebrow gel, the eyebrow side of the thing, and I'm just going to sort of put this over my brows. I just feel like it makes them look more fluffy and it keeps them in place. Yeah. So now, I'm going to go in and I'm with my eyelash curler, and I'm going to curl my lashes, and I will be right back. So, I'm going to be using this new, it's not new to like Wet n Wild, but it's new to me, so I'm just going to be trying it out. It's the Megaplump mascara. I've tried it like once or twice, but yeah. And I really like it so far, but I have to like give mascaras a week before I really know how I like them. But I'm just going to put that on, and I'm not really going to like see the effects because I'm going to put lashes on, but I'm just going to put that on so my lashes and my real lashes blend together. Just putting on my mascara. I really like how it looks, but I'm going to be putting on lashes. So I'm going to put on the House of Lashes Iconic Lashes, and I will be right back. So I put on my lashes, and I used the House of Lashes Iconics, and I'm going to be going in with one of my favorite nudes today. It's the Jeffree Star Mannequin liquid lipstick, and I'm just going to put this on my lips, and I might finish it with a gloss, but I'm not sure yet, and I will be right back when I finish putting this on. So I am going to finish it with the gloss. I'm going to put on the Sexy Mother Pucker by Soap & Glory. I recently just got this, but I never put it on top of a liquid lipstick, so I'm going to see what this looks like. I know this is a plumping gloss, but I just really like the shimmer in it, so I'm just going to put that on, and yeah. So I put on the gloss, and I think that's it. So I'm going to finish off this look with the Glam Glow Glow Setter Setting Spray. And I'm just going to spritz this all over my face, and I will be right back. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. And comment down below your favorite drugstore foundations and your favorite drugstore foundations that I should try. Thanks for watching.